Happy Vlogmas Day 20. Today is Monday, December 20th, and I may or may not have slept for 12 hours. Had to catch up on that sleep after a long travel day yesterday, and now I'm booting up my work computer to start work for the day, and the air is definitely drier in New Hampshire, and I can definitely feel it. So, chugging some water today as well, but I'm not sure our plans, maybe going out to lunch, etc. Maybe going to a movie this afternoon. Plans are up in the air, but you guys are coming along. The countdown's on, 5 days until Christmas. So other than that, yeah. Let's see what today holds.
You introduce her.
So this little... Oh, she has things to say. Hi, Izzy.
I told her she wanted to be on camera.
I know, she loves the camera. She's so pretty. How old is she again?
Oof, she is 16.
Everybody give it up for how cute this cat is. She's my best friend. The queen of the house, right here.
It's just so soft.
She's very soft. Oh, that's a good spot. The ears are always a good spot.
Yeah, you want to get her to lie down?
You want to come lay down?
Right, rub her butt.
You do it. Oh, oh, say hello. Oh, those are teeth. Oh, okay. And now it is lunchtime and we are heading to the Old Salt to go get some food. Thank you. It's so pretty. So pretty. The rolls here come with house-made maple butter. How fancy. A prime rib sandwich that looks ginormous for this gentleman. And me, some plain old mozzarella sticks. How is it?
Good. I don't know how to attack this.
I think you're gonna have to cut it and then fold it.
I need a Caesar too.
Yeah, they're halves. Good luck. We are currently on our way to go see a light show called the Daily Family Light Show. It's at their house. They put it on every year. Should be exciting, but I wanted to put it in a flash warning since it is a light show. There will be a lot of flashing lights. So if anybody's prone to that, definitely skip ahead till the end of the vlog to finish out this one. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm definitely expecting some high tier Christmas content, but we shall see.
Stop! Hey, stop the show! Stop the show! Stop the show!
Why?
What are you doing?
The tree's talking.
What do you mean? What's the problem? Look, you're blue and you're supposed to be white. and then you're red when you're supposed to be blue. What's going on?
I don't think that's true. I was blue when I was supposed to be blue, and if I need to be red, then I'm red, like this. It's not a problem.
Okay,
I don't
no, that is a problem because you were completely wrong. Listen, I don't care what you're doing over there. Maybe you're drinking some tree sap. I don't know what's going on. But let's just try it again on 3, okay?
All right, fine.
All right, 1, 2. Oh, stop again. Stop. You started early again.
Dude, I gotta be honest. I don't even know how to count.
What do you mean you don't know how to count?
I'm not good
I don't
at
even
numbers.
know how
I'm
to
a
count.
tree. I don't know if you noticed.
I'm a tree too.
Can you count? We gotta use our own method on this one.
Let's just try it one more time, okay?
All right, fine.
On 3.
Just a tree.
All I have to say is I was impressed that a family put that together. How about you?
Oh yeah, that was pretty cool.
We watched about a 15-minute show. I'm not sure how much will actually stay in here because, to be honest, a lot of it was copyrighted. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming with us. If you're in New Hampshire, definitely look up the Daily Family Light Show. You won't regret it. It's worth a little drive, 15-minute show. And they have beautiful lights and are conducting a fundraiser for a bunch of local charities. After our light escapade, we are now headed to find some white elephant gifts for a gift exchange, and it's definitely going to be interesting due to the different ages in the party of the white elephant, so let's see what we can find. They've already got Valentine's Day stuff out at Marshall's, but look at these cute socks. They've got a lot of cute socks here. So I picked out my Secret Santa, White Elephant, Yankee Swap, whatever you call it, gift. And now KJ's picking out his because we obviously couldn't see each other's. And I obviously can't show you guys because it's happening actually after I leave. I'm just FaceTiming into it. But overall success. I did a funny gift, but also realistic gift. I also bought some other stuff, but they're gifts for other people that I know watch, so I can't show you them either. But damage has been done. This was a very lovely Marshall's, and I'm glad we found some stuff in there. So let's hope his bag isn't too big. And hopefully he doesn't buy me any secret Christmas gifts because we already did our exchange, but we'll see. I'm sure he'll be out soon. But overall, a good trip. Got everything we needed, and more things I didn't need but wanted to give people. So overall, we love that. Now we're just gonna head home and probably relax for the rest of the night. It's 8:30 now, so not too much left in the day, and I have a very long day tomorrow, including seeing the new Spider-Man movie. So excited to give you guys the final review for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. I actually fell asleep by the fireplace, so didn't get a chance to end the vlog yesterday, but spending the evening by a fire is unbeatable. And by the Christmas tree, of course, too. It was really, really nice last night. And of course, we got everything done we needed to yesterday. Finished up work, went out to lunch, got the White Elephant gifts, and we went to a cool light show. That was definitely different. I hope you guys did enjoy coming along with that too. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you need to catch up on Vlogmas, I'll have the playlist down below, and I'll also be sure to link down below the other sort of infamous Vlogmases that you might have missed, because there's some really good ones this year. And make sure you give this a thumbs up if you did enjoy, because it is free and it helps me out a lot. And let's see what tomorrow brings us for Vlogmas. I don't know, but I am excited to see. And thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.